Hey guys, Adam here from adaminsights.com, and right now I'm really excited. I've just got back from PhotoCo Adelaide's Adelaide Camera Expo down at the Adelaide Central Market. It was the first event of its kind in Adelaide. Lots of new products on display. Kind of like a mini photokina for Adelaide. Saw some really great unveilings, saw the new Canon EOS R, all of that stuff, but that's not why I'm here. As a lot of you guys know, this is my trusty Leica Safari, but I made the decision today to get a brand new Leica M10, and this particular M10 is one of a kind because it is the only one I'm currently aware of which has now been signed by Jesse Marlowe, Australian street photographer, award-winning commercial and journalism photographer. Great guy to have a chat to, and I'm really thrilled that he agreed to sign the packaging for my new M10. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So we'll just take this out of its shroud. And we will how do we get that open? Oh, there we go. I love unboxing Leicas, it's always fun. Opens up like the little jewellery box. I'll just take the Safari over here. So, because I'm not really that good at taking photos with a 50mm, I'm hoping I'm going to just put the 50mm lens on this, and I'm going to try and force myself to get better at shooting with a 50. So, up here we have the camera. We'll have a look at that in just a sec. In the first drawer of the Leica box, we've got special offer for Adobe Creative Suite, or Creative Cloud. All of the manuals for the M. It's like, who reads the manuals on an M? It's so simple. I like to keep all of these neatly in the box and try never to look at them because it devalues them in my view. And here we've got power cord, our charger. I'm hoping this is the new style leather strap, and it is. It is the new style leather strap. No more of that cotton fibre thing with the rubber neck pad. So we've now got the real nice strap on this. That's cool. International power cables and the M10's battery. I'm very happy with that. So we'll take out the charger and the battery. I'll use another power cord that I've got elsewhere. And we'll put that back. In fact, we'll take these out here. And in that goes. Lovely. So, I guess now for the big moment. What colour M10 did I get? I don't think this is everyone's favourite. I think more people prefer the black, but screw it. I absolutely love the silver. And look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Really lightweight. I notice how much thinner this is, so I'm looking forward to clicking my 50mm Summicron on here. Sorry guys, I live near an airport. Never fails, the planes end up making noise that gets into these videos. I'm looking forward to clicking my Summicron on here, and hopefully this camera is about to become a very loyal friend. Lovely. Okay guys, thank you.